In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Drive credentials inside n8n. If you've been looking to integrate Google Drive with your n8n workflows, this guide will help you get started in a clear and straightforward way. First things first, let's dive into your n8n account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Credentials section. Here, you'll want to select Google Drive OAuth 2 API. This is the key to secure communication between your n8n workflows and Google Drive. Hit Continue and a new window will pop up. This is where you'll provide the client ID and client secret keys, essential for completing the integration. Now, to obtain these keys, open Google Console. You'll see a list of projects. Click on My First Project and proceed to create a new project. Give your project a memorable name and, if applicable, mention your organization. With your shiny new project ready, always make sure you're operating within this project environment as you move forward with the setup. Next, use the search bar at the top to look for the Google Drive API. Once you find it, you'll need to click on Enable. This may take a moment, so be patient as it processes. Now move over to the APIs and Services section where you'll find the OAuth consent screen. Here, you need to fill in your app information. Start with your app name and make sure to enter your email address before clicking on Next. Under the Audience section, select External and click Next again. When you reach the Contact Info section, enter your email once more and move forward by clicking Next. It's important to agree to the user data policy, so go ahead and check that box before continuing. Finally, create your app by pressing Create. After creating the app, it's time to publish it. In the Google Auth platform, go to the Audience section and select Publish App. Confirm your choice. It ensures your app can interface correctly with external users through Google Drive. Now let's move on to credentials. In the APIs and Services section, select Credentials and then create new credentials. You'll want to choose an OAuth client ID. When prompted, select Web Application as your client type and provide your project's name. You'll encounter the field for authorized redirect URLs. This is crucial. Grab the OAuth redirect URL from the n8n window you opened earlier and input it here. When you're done, hit Create. A pop-up window will present you with the client ID and client secret right there. Copy and paste these into the n8n window where we started. And there you have it. Your Google Drive account is now successfully set up within n8n. With the client ID and client secret correctly in place, sign in using your Google account, and you're ready to smoothly integrate Google Drive into your n8n workflows. Thank you for watching and happy automating.